myself Gazia from News Moment. Welcoming to you News Moment English. Play smart, play epic with PSJ TVS Asansol. For more details, please call 8695607709 and our toll-free number 180012339999. Winter session of Parliament beginning Monday is likely to be action-packed with the government ready to introduce the Farm Laws Repeal Bill, following significant protest by the farmers for nearly a year. On Wednesday, the Cabinet had cleared the Farm Laws Repeal Bill, with Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Anurag Thakur that the formalities to repeal the three laws: Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020, Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act 2020 and Essential Commodities Amendment Act 2020 have been completed. In the upcoming session, it will be our priority to repeal the three farm laws, he added. The Bharatiya Janata Party has issued a whip for its members to remain present in House to support the government through the day on Monday, November 29, indicating the government's intent to repeal the three continuous farm laws in the first week of Parliament. Congress too has jumped into action, stating that it will press for repealing the three farm laws on the very first day of Parliament, besides seeking Rs 4 lakh compensation for the families of those who died of COVID-19. Its leader in Lok Sabha, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, has also demanded that the House pass a condolence resolution for the farmers who lost their lives during the year-long agitation. Besides the Farm Laws Repeal Bill, the government will introduce some other laws. The government will introduce and deliberate 25 other bills, including the highly anticipated Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021, which seeks to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India with certain exemptions. It also seeks to set up a framework for the creation of the official digital currency, which will be issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Report by Manish Srivastava. A major entrance exams of teachers was cancelled in Uttar Pradesh. Today, after the question paper got leaked, said officials, the police have made several arrests in the case. The paper reportedly got leaked on a WhatsApp group. According to initial reports, the Uttar Pradesh Teacher Eligibility Test is a state-level teacher eligibility test mandatory for teachers who wish to teach primary or upper primary classes in state board affiliated schools. It will be held next month now. Lakhs of aspirants were scheduled to take the exam today across the state. Information has been received that the UP TET exam has been leaked, thus the exam stand cancelled. In a month's time, the aspirants will be able to write the exam again at no extra cost. An order has been issued to file an FIR in the matter, and the investigation has been handed over to the Uttar Pradesh Special Task Force Unit so that the accused can be identified and strict action can be taken against them, said Satish Dwivedi, State Education Minister. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra hit out at the Yogi Adityanath government for the paper leak and alleged that there has been corruption. A report by Rohit Mohanka from Durgapur. Largest among the super specialty hospitals, Yashoda Hospital in Hyderabad is regarded as one of the largest hospitals in the country for its state-of-the-art medical services. Established in 1989 in Hyderabad, the 50-bed nursing home is today considered as one of the largest private hospitals in the country. Doctors of Yashoda Hospital will regularly visit Durgapur to provide medical services to the patient suffering from various ailments. There is also a system of telemedicine. The clinic was inaugurated at Ambedkar Sarani in the city centre by Mrs. Anindita Mukherjee, Deputy Mayor of Durgapur, and Karthivelan Ganeshan, head of a department at the hospital. Physiotherapy clinic for male and female at Sripalli GK Roy Sarani, Rupam Building, Asansol, near Upendra Nath High School. The people of Asansol are going to get a best news in this new year. If all goes well by the end of December, it will be easy for the people of Asansol to travel by air because soon the airport is going to be built in Banpur. On Saturday, a high-level meeting was held under the chairmanship of State Law and Public Works Minister Mulay Ghatak regarding the airport to be constructed in Dhenwa village located in Banpur, Kale Jharia, DC headquarters, Anshuman Saha, Police Commissioner Sudhir Kumar Neelkantam, ADDA CEO Nitin Singhania, ADM G. Abhijit Shewale, and airport authority officials were present through video conferencing. In this regard, Minister Mulay Ghatak said that a meeting was held to start the Asansol airport, where in the presence of SAIL, ISP DMDC headquarters, a detailed discussion was held with the officials of the airport department through virtual medium regarding the construction of the airport. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. Details are provided in the picture. For more details, please contact the given number 9932864067 or 8116183 Report by Dilip Shaw from Jamuria. In Shyam Sale Workshop located in Vijay Mode, industrial area of Jamuria, there was panic due to the horrific fire incident. According to sources, this fire incident took place in the power plant department of the factory. Many workers, on the condition of anonymity, told that this accident of fire occurred due to the explosion in the oil drum kept in that power plant. However, no response has been received from the factory management in this regard. It is that Shyam Sale works under the rule of factory management, under the rule of production first, safety last. Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching classes for medical NEET AIMS entrance exams by D.K. Lal Sir. Biology classes, zoology and botany. Regular classes for 11 and 12 BSc. And for more information, please contact 9832824975. Report by Wasim Khan from Asansol. 7th Battalion Complex at Kalyanpur Housing. 7th Battalion Complex at Kalyanpur Housing, Asansol. A general meeting was organized on the occasion. The Chief Guest State Law and Public Works Minister Mulay Ghatak inaugurated it. Addressing the Minister, Mulay Ghatak said that before the rule of Trinamool, no freedom was given to the police during CPM. No kind of cooperation was given for the financial help of the police families. During the rule of Trinamool, development work has been done all around in Bengal. The plight of the 7th battalion located at Kalyanpur housing was such that there was neither any kind of amenities available nor any arrangement. When the rule of Trinamool came in Bengal, it changed the environment here. Police housing board, playground, arrangement of accommodation for the families of police and other type of amenities were provided. In West Bardhaman district, police is charged was earlier appointed as an additional CP. But at present, IAS, IPS officers have been given charge in West Bardhaman district. He asked the police administration to unite with the public and do all kinds of work. Never let it feel that he is different from the public. By working together with the public, a different identity of the police emerges among the public. लेटेस्ट ज्वेलरी डिजाइन्स के लिए अभिनव गिनी हाउस में जरूर आएं। In one of the most attractive events of Shilpanchal, the first phase meeting of the core committee regarding Asansol festival was held under the chairmanship of State Law and Public Works Minister Mulay Ghatak at his residential office on Sunday. On the occasion, Abhijit Ghatak, district president of INTTUC, former councillor cum Bureau Chairman Animesh Das, Board Member of the Corporation Administrator Chandrasekhar Kundu, Vice Chairman of the Corporation cum Principal of BB College Amitabh Basu, former Councillor Gurudas Chatterjee, Social Worker cum Industrialist HN Mishra, Sumit Gangoli, PP Bachuda of Asansol District Court were present. Minister Mulay Ghatak told that today the first phase meeting had been held regarding Asansol Festival 2021. He said that the Asansol Festival would be organized from January 7 to 16, 2022 in the first month of the new year. He said that soon detailed information will be given about the Asansol Festival by holding a press conference. Report by Abdul Munaf Ilyasi from Asansol. Qasim Ali is no more. Let's have some detail on it. State Secretary of Anjuman Progressive Urdu Hindi, M.A. Qasim Ali fell down while presenting the statement. When he was taken to Asansol District Hospital, the doctors declared him brought dead. It is to be noted that 170 students of class 10 and 12 were facilitated in the program organized by Anjuman Prakati Urdu Hindi Asansol Durgapur Subdivision. During this program, various students presented poetry related to Deen. M.A. Qasim Ali, Anjuman State Secretary of Progress Urdu Hindi, had come from Kolkata to participate in this program. Biofena. Drink healthy and stay healthy. And for trade inquiry, please contact our toll-free number 1800-258-7060. Placed on GT Road of Asansol on Sunday afternoon. After reaching there, he offered prayers and took blessings. Here the secretary of the temple committee, Arun Sharma, honored MP Dola Sen with a shawl. Siaram Agarwal, advocate Sangram Singh, Mukesh Sharma, Munshi Sharma and others were present on the occasion. Dola Sen said that she always liked Asansol. Her workplace was the Shilpanchal of Asansol, where she spent the best time of her life, and whenever she comes to Asansol, she comes to this temple for darshan, she finds peace. Baba Basukinath Seva Samiti distributed woolen clothes among 400 people. It includes men, women and children. It is worth mentioning that Samiti has been feeding poor people here in 13 members road of Asansol station for years. Dignitaries present were Commandant Chandra Mohan Mishra, ADMG Avijit Shivale, Rakesh Kumar, Abhay Kumar Singh, Ajay Verma, Vikram Paswan from Hamara Sankalp NGO, Sajjan Jaluka, Pavan Gangotia, Shyam Bablu from Baba Basukinath Seva Samiti, Abdul Munaf Ilyasi, Secretary of Progressive Ekta Manch, Meghdut Prasad, editor of News Moment, and many more.
हाँ तुम्ही है खाओ आइए हाँ
Wanted young boys and girls as marketing executive for News Moment, please contact 9563830285. Now at the end, let's have our SMS of the moment. May the peace of the season be yours, now and in the coming year. Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the further notifications.